Okay, so Microsoft has provided us with a great new theme generator, and we're going to use this to pick the primary theme color. In this case, we'll call this Wallbridge Condo Teal, my wife's favorite color. Half our house is this color. We're going to grab the PowerShell for it. Notice we can also generate it as JSON and SAS as well. So with that selected, we're going to update our PowerShell script here so that we can run the add SPO theme commandlet with this PowerShell. So we're going to run that. And with that run, we're going to open up our SharePoint site. We're going to choose change the look. And we're going to pick our new theme from the list. Now, you can see there's a whole bunch of themes in there. And really, we probably want to limit our choices to just what our organization wants. So we can actually run the set SPO hide default themes commandlet. And at that point, all that we're going to have left are the themes that we actually want our organization to be using. And this definitely helps with confusion and ensures consistency. So we'll apply that bad boy. And the Wendy Condo Teal is here.